Hi there, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, I'm thrilled to have you join us. My name is Liz, and I teach everything about automations, productivity, time management, and systems. So, my background, just to give you a bit of an idea, I used to be a quality assurance manager. Then I was a customer service manager, mainly handling complaints and helping people with feedback and issues, so problem solving. And now I'm an operations manager. So, through all of these roles, one thing has become abundantly clear to me, and that is the power of systems, productivity, and automations. And my tool of choice for productivity is really Notion. So, I want to go through in my channel and sort of show you how I use these tools so that I can help you as business owners to improve your own business. So, I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials, some helpful hacks, tips. I'd also like to encourage people to join my free community where I will be doing some workshops and tutorials and things as well and diving a bit deeper. So, my main purpose for all of this is to help you as business owners because I love systems and I find it fun to figure things out. So, ask me questions. Feel free to add things to the comments. I check them as often as I possibly can and come back to as many people as I possibly can. So I'm thrilled to have you here. Let's jump in and get started. So if it's something that you're into as well, join me.